Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about 4 scenarios regarding macroeconomics equilibrium. First, let me start with some definitions. Aggregate demand AD is the total quantity of goods and services demanded by all buyers in an economy at different price levels, ceteris paribus, and it has a negative relationship. The short-run aggregate supply SRAS is the total quantity of goods and services supplied by firms in an economy at different price levels, ceteris paribus, in the short run, for example, a year. The nominal resource price levels do not change, and they have a positive relationship. Lastly, the macroeconomic equilibrium is the intersection of AD curve and SRAS curve. So here are some factors to measure the health of an economy. Firstly, the actual GDP. We compare it with the potential GDP. If it is higher, it leads to an expansion. If it is lower, it is a contraction. Secondly, we use the unemployment rate, and we compare with the natural rate of unemployment. The natural rate of unemployment is when there is a full employment of resources, and it is not necessarily equals to 0. Thirdly, the price level. If the price level increases, there's an inflation, while there's a decrease in price level, it's a deflation. Alright, so let's talk about scenario 1. Scenario 1 is that new legislation makes property rights more secure. As we know, legal institutional changes is one of the determinants affecting AD. So therefore, securing property rights increases investment spending. And so AD increases, which shifts the AD curve rightwards from AD1 to AD2, leading to an inflationary gap. And also we can see that the price level rise from PL1 to PL2, and there's an inflation. And the actual GDP Y2 is larger than potential GDP Y1. And also we can deduce that the unemployment rate is lower than the natural rate of unemployment. Scenario 2, the government increases the minimum wages. As we know, wages is one of the factors affecting SRAS. Therefore, increasing minimum wages will lead the SRAS to decrease and shift leftwards from SRAS1 to SRAS2, leading to a stagflation. And the price levels rise from PL1 to PL2, and inflation resulted. Actual GDP Y2 is lower than the potential GDP Y1, and the unemployment rate is bigger than the natural rate of unemployment. Moving on to scenario 3, there is an increase in interest rates. Interest rate is one of the determinants affecting AD. Therefore, increasing interest rates makes borrowing more expensive, which lower the consumer spending. So therefore, the AD decreases and shifts leftwards from AD1 to AD2, leading to a deflationary or a recessionary gap. The price level decreases from PL1 to PL2, leading to a deflation. And the actual GDP Y2 is smaller than the potential GDP Y1, and the unemployment rate is larger than the natural rate of unemployment. Alright, scenario 4. The government reduces business taxes. Taxes is one of the factors affecting SRAS. Reducing business taxes will lower the production cost, which leads to the SRAS to increase, which shifts rightwards from SRAS1 to SRAS2, resulting in an expansion, and the price level drops from PL1 to PL2, leading to a deflation. And the actual GDP Y2 is larger than the potential GDP Y1. And we can see that unemployment is smaller than natural rate of unemployment. So this is the end of my video. Thank you.